Most of you guys already know about Mega Cab 3.0, my 2021 Ram 3500 high output Laramie. And I'll give you a quick rundown. 6-inch McGaughy's lift, 22x12 TIS wheels, and it rides amazing for what it is. Since this is a high output model, it comes with the ASN AS69 6-speed transmission. No matter what I put behind this truck, it will tow. It has a great first gear, gets me off the line, gets me going, and no matter what I put behind the truck, it just takes it. But who doesn't want more power? I've had it in the past. For example, Mega Cab 1.0, an 0759 pushing about 550 horsepower, or Mega Cab 2.0, a 2014 high output pushing about 500. So I got with the guys at Stealth and they got me a module that's designed to work on stock and modified trucks. So let's jump right into it and pop the hood. So what we have here, a bone stock 2021 6.7 high output Cummins with 420 horsepower and 1,075 pound-foot of torque. After letting the truck sit for 20 minutes untouched, went ahead and unplugged that fuel rail pressure sensor that you see there. And not gonna lie, it was a pain in the ass, but I got it. Now to connect it with the new harness and go ahead and plug it back into where it goes. Well, get in there! Note to self, buy a stepladder the next time you try to do this. That sensor is so deep down there, it's hard to see it, even though you're 6'6". Now for the easy one, the map sensor. Just quickly unplug it, and then plug it in line with the new harness. Then I just took that harness, tucked it behind the brake reservoir, and then plugged in the Stealth module and the switch controller. Now just tuck it away in a safe spot. I'm gonna leave the switch under there on level 3. That's what a lot of people do. And time to shut the hood and take it for a test drive. So since the truck was still cold, I didn't want to get on it, so I just drove it around to get it up to operating temperature first. Now it's time for a 0 to 60 pull. Did the Stealth module make the truck a rocket ship? No. I mean, it's still a lifted truck. It's still on 37s, but there was a noticeable difference. Then I did a passing test from 65 to 80, and I did notice a difference on the acceleration in this test. So, time for the verdict. Is the Stealth module worth it? I'm gonna say yeah. It's easy to install, it doesn't break the bank, and you do get a little bit of extra power, so you can do stuff like burnouts if you really want to.